Aliens are real? That's a question asked by many. Do you believe in aliens? Picture this. A silent star, Skipper, slips into our solar system, ancient and mysterious, carrying a visitor from the farthest reaches of space and time. Meet 3i divided by Atlas, and from it emerges our hero. 3i Atlas, a being who has traveled across eons and galaxies to reach Earth. Strap in, this is a fun, exciting space adventure story about aliens being real, secret visitors, and cosmic discovery. Safe for all families, no scary gore, full of wonder and friendship. Chapter 1: A Star Beyond the Horizon. In the vast darkness beyond the Milky Way's spiral arms, there existed a ship, a slender, silver vessel gliding in the silence of interstellar space. For thousands of years it drifted, steady and patient, aboard the hull of the interstellar object 3i divided by Atlas, though few on Earth would guess its true nature. On board was 3i Atlas, tall, kind, eyed and speaking in a calm, musical tone. His mission? To observe, to learn, and very quietly, to hope. When 3i divided by Atlas made its entry into our solar system, many humans saw only a comet on a strange trajectory. NASA science +2, medium +2, but 3i didn't see a rock, he saw his launch platform. He prepared for what lay ahead. Chapter 2: Arrival on Earth. From his vantage point aboard the hushed ship, 3i watched Earth. Swirling blues and greens, cities shimmering, oceans whispering. He remembered ancient times, his homeworld long gone, his people venturing outward through the stars, full of curiosity and hope. Now, centuries later, he arrived here. Approaching Earth's orbit, he lowered his vessel's shadow behind the tail of 3i divided by Atlas so as not to alarm anyone. After all, humanity was still learning about its place in the universe, and he didn't want to start with fear. A small drone detached from the ship, silent and gliding, landing in a remote desert valley in America's southwest. It scanned the sky, watched the stars, blinked gently. The adventure had begun. Chapter 3: The First Meeting. In a quiet observatory perched on a mountain, a young astronomer named Maya spotted odd readings, strange signals, subtle shifts in 3i divided by Atlas's tail. She picked up her binoculars and saw the drone. She alerted her team. Simultaneously, 3i stepped into a clearing beneath the night sky, his silver suit reflecting moonlight. Maya's flashlight beam landed on him, and for a heartbeat, they froze. Then 3i spoke softly. "Hello, Earth friend." Maya's heart soared with wonder. She asked, "Are you from the stars?" "I come from the past and from far away. My ship is ancient. My mission, friendship, and discovery." And so, two beings from very different worlds became allies. Chapter 4: Secrets of the Ship. Inside the hidden ship beneath sand and rock, 3i showed Maya holograms of his world cities of crystal, seas of lavender, skies like molten silver. He told how his people traveled across galaxies, visited ancient worlds, encountered life in forms unimaginable. Maya told him of Earth, its hopes and fears, the tales of alien visitors, the dreams of children staring at the stars. Together they realized 3i divided by Atlas had tail shifts and odd maneuvers that puzzled Earth scientists. Some thought it natural, some speculated alien. Rude baguette. +1. But what if the truth was simply that an ancient ship was using the object as its cover? They decided to explore further, venturing to the ship's deck, watching 3i divided by Atlas glide past Jupiter's orbit as 3i's navigation lights glowed faintly like a firefly in the void. Chapter 5: Crisis Among the Stars. Just as everything seemed peaceful, alarms blared. Deep space sensors lit up. Unknown craft, closing fast. 3 whispered, "They have followed me." Maya's pulse raced. "What are they?" she asked. "Explorers or hunters? I do not know." 3i admitted. "My mission did not foresee this." Together they launched the ship's stealth engines. Outside, the night sky flickered with tracer lights and alien silhouettes. Earth scientists at observatories watched without understanding, just a flash of lights, then nothing. In the final moment, 3I activated the ship's shield, a shimmering dome of energy, and they dove toward Earth's atmosphere safe, but shaken. Chapter 6. A New Dawn for Earth. By morning, 3I and Maya stood on a quiet beach. The ship's drone hovered above the waves, scanning the horizon. The threat gone for now, they took a deep breath of sea air. 3I turned to Maya. You gave me hope. Your world can understand, can choose friendship. Maya smiled. And you gave us proof that we are not alone. The skies above shimmered softly, the tail of 3I divided by Atlas still visible faintly among the stars. A visitor from the past, and from far away, had arrived, and together, Earth and its new friend would step toward a future filled with wonder. As the sun rose, 3I whispered to the wind, Thank you, Earth. I will remain your secret guardian. And Maya gazed upward. We'll be ready. Epilogue. The universe beckons. Children across Earth pause their bedtime stories and look to the skies. The thought hung in the air, what if we are not alone? The tale of 3I divided by Atlas faded into the cosmos, but 3I's message remained. Friendship, curiosity, courage. As humans turned their telescopes upward, they knew now. Aliens could be real, and if they are, perhaps they come not as conquerors, but as friends. And somewhere beyond the stars, 3I continued his voyage watching, learning, caring.